Hi there, welcome to episode 117 of the Daily Shed. Today I want to show you a little exercise, a little lick using both hammer-ons and pull-offs. And I really feel like hammer-ons and pull-offs they're one of the distinctive things about guitar playing, and I just use them all the time, whether it's a ballad or whether it's something really fast. They just really give character to a melody and allow you to do things that you couldn't do otherwise. So this is a little exercise. I hope you find satisfying. It's got a little bit of melodic content to it, and I think it sounds kind of cool. So just on the first string here, I'll just go ahead and play it first. Like that. And it probably sounds very fast, but it's very easy to do. It really is. Your right hand isn't doing a lot, your left hand is doing some work, not a lot, but the combination is what gives it a real smoothness, and you can work up to that kind of speed. So starting off, you'll do a hammer-on, and this might be the toughest part of it, is the first hammer-on. What you're going to want to do is hammer on the 3rd fret of the high E string, and then pick. So first hammer on, then pick, like that. And your hammer-on won't be as loud as what your pick note is. That's fine. You want to try to get it close. Just try to match that. Really slam it on. Okay? And then you pull off. So there's 3 notes. Hammer-on, pluck, pull. Hammer-on, pluck, pull. Hammer-on, pluck, pull. Okay? Then you just repeat it. That's all you're doing is those 3 notes. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, but you add a double pick at the end of that. What I do is I do an upstroke and a downstroke. So hammer on, pluck up, pull off, and then pluck again. Okay. So actually either an upstroke or a downstroke. So it's actually a set of 4 all together. Hammer on and pick, pull off and pick. Okay. Hammer and pick, pull off and pick. So repeating that is all it is. Okay, and just try to get that, start out very slow. And slowly increase your metronome. See, your right hand isn't doing, if you look at the hands separately, they're not doing that much on their own. Even when you speed up. You see I'm doing a downstroke and an upstroke, just for efficiency. Even as you get faster and faster, your hands aren't doing a lot, it's just coordination. And then I'm doing the same thing, but up at the 5th fret. Hammer on the 5th, pluck, pull off, and pluck again. And what I'm doing is I do, again, hammer on, an upstroke, pull off, downstroke. Okay? Hammer on, upstroke, pull off, downstroke. Same thing on the 7th fret. Hammer on, upstroke, pull off, downstroke. Hammer on, upstroke, pull off, downstroke. And you can do this with a pick, or just finger style. And just repeat it. Just keep going. Go to the 5th fret, and back to 3rd. And I do it. 4 of each group. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, like that. And you can do it on, once you have that down, go to other strings and just do the same frets. And it's a little more difficult because you don't want to hit the neighboring strings. But it's a good exercise. Okay, do it all the way down to the low E string. And what I usually do is I usually put my finger half on the string next to it, so it doesn't ring out. But since what you're mainly focusing on is is what you're hammering on, and you're picking. I would say sticking with the high E string is fine. Again, slow. Okay. All right, I hope this is useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions you might have, and thanks for watching.